Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Islamabad Skating Club. In November 2024, the Islamabad Skating Club hosted a spectacular skating event with the enthusiastic participation of over 100 people. The Dar-e-Karba Travel and Tours Company started a trip to Islamabad to introduce this event. About 330 kilometers away from Dia Upper, entered Islamabad via Chatra and Swat motorway. This event was organized not only for teenagers, but also specially for young children as small as 3 years old and for families. Special safety measures were taken for the younger participants, including designated areas for beginner skaters and guidance from experienced coaches.
Pakistan! Zindabad! Islamabad Skating Club! Zindabad! Indian Skating Club! Zindabad!
The event was a wonderful opportunity where people of various ages and skating levels came together, boosted their confidence, and celebrated being a part of Islamabad's vibrant skating community. It was not only filled with thrilling skating competitions, but also offered participants a chance to spend enjoyable moments in a friendly, family-oriented atmosphere. Each type requires different skills and has its own unique moves and style. Skating is an interesting and recreational activity that is a great way to improve physical fitness, balance, and coordination. The feeling of moving forward freely with each step is very enjoyable. The beautiful landscapes of the city and the pleasant weather made this event even more memorable. Not only were people enjoying skating, but they were also delighting in the magnificent location and natural beauty. The happiness and smiles of people while skating were a sight to behold. Many individuals also took pictures to make this moment memorable. The people present and at the event not only enjoyed skating, but also fully appreciated the beautiful environment and captivating landscapes of Islamabad.